Hey, tribe. If you're like me and you're on the hunt for some affordable prescription glasses, even if you just want some cute glasses, I just got mine from Fytoo and I want to unbox them with you. So let's dive in. To unbox these with you guys. I want to give a huge thank you to Fytoo for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I'm always on the hunt for some beautiful glasses. You know that I have astigmatism, so glasses always cost a lot of money for me. So I found Fytoo, which is an affordable online prescription place where you can get glasses, you can get sunglasses, and even if you don't wear prescription glasses, you can get you some really cute fashion glasses that are affordable. So let's unbox this box. I am so excited. Woo! These are packed so well. I got 4 pair of glasses, and this is how the box comes. It came just like this. As you guys can see, you can follow them on all social media platforms here, and I will post them below as well. I also got a discount code that I ain't gonna show y'all because I'm gonna use that. And you also get this PD reader. So like if you don't know, if you're like me and we're progressives, you need to know the PD, the distance between your pupils here. So you can always put those on here like that so you can figure out yours. But if you wear prescriptions, it should already be on your prescription. It also came with the glasses cleaner. I love these. I put these in my purse. I have these all over the house. And this is packaged as well with a glass tightener. This will help you to tighten up the screws on your glasses. It came with this as well. But let's go ahead and get to the meat, honey. We want to get to the glasses. So they come just like this. Isn't that cute? They come in these cute little bags here that has Fytoo on them. I got 4 pairs, as you guys can see. So we're going to open them one by one and try these on. So the first pair we have is called Angela in pink. Isn't these gorgeous? I love the shape and I love the little razzle dazzle on the sides. That's what made me pick these. I love the little razzle dazzle. I love that they're pink. And I just wanted something that was a little bit different for what I'm used to. Oh my goodness. Oh, aren't these cute with the little razzle dazzle too? I love these. These also come in other colors as well. I believe they also come in black, but I wanted something that I could wear with, you know, different cute pink and red outfits. Is perfect for this time of year. So I thought that these would be really cute. My prescription, I can see everything. Like, this is the perfect prescription for me. So they did a great job on that, but it was packaged just in this as well. But I love these. What do you guys think of Angela? These are so cute. It is given, hey girl, hey. I love these. And these are really cute. So we are going to try on the next pair. The next pair that we have is Frederick in tortoiseshell. I love the way that these look. I wanted something with a little cat eye on them and something that was tortoiseshell as well. Look at that. Because you know that is like all the rage right now. And I love this color. I wanted something that would be a nice, easy, everyday wear. Ooh, okay. I like these. These are cool and easy to wear with anything. I just wanted something a little bit different. And I also wanted to mention that each bag does come with a glasses cleaner as well. So you can have one for each pair of glasses. I love these because you can just throw these in your purse and put them in like this. So even if you have a pair of sunglasses that you want to wear and then you just want to swap them out, you can always get these. But these come in different colors as well. But I just really wanted the tortoiseshell. I think these are so cute. These are nice for every day. They're nice for the office. Anywhere that you want to wear them, if you just want to put a little razzle dazzle on an outfit, I think that these are perfect. So these are Frederick in tortoiseshell. These next pair are called Salome in the color Champagne. These also come in different colors as well. I have been wanting some champagne ones for a long time, you know, but sometimes on your skin it comes up like this weird kind of color, you know, because I'm like a darker brown skin. So I said, let's try these in Champagne. Ooh, aren't these cute? And you know what I love about these glasses so far is that they're not super huge on my face, but these are like more my speed. I like these. These are given very modern, very trendy. And this color is just so cute, aren't they? What do you guys think about these? I love, and I'm one of those people, like, I don't like the plastic part right here in the glasses. I like for it to be, you know what I'm talking about, how they put the little stub on there and how it just sit on there and then it's the glasses. I prefer this shape right here. It's actually part of the glasses. For me, it sits better on my face. It's not always sliding down and it feels more comfortable to me. So tell me, guys, what you think about these. Do you like these? How about the color? I love this Champagne. This also comes in different colors as well. And last but certainly not least, these are Alex in Floral. Now, before I show y'all, I really wanted to do something different. I said, come on, let's get outside the box. Because y'all know I love a classic black or, you know, just a plain square design. So all of these glasses are like a little bit out of my comfort zone. I really wanted to try something different so that I can have different styles. But this Alex in Floral, y'all, look at that. They are green. They have different colors on them. Look at the designs on these. Hold on, let me open this for y'all. But look at the design on those with the white on the side. And you have the floral going all through it. And I was just like, girl, come on, let's do something different. Oh, I got a mirror behind y'all, so that's how I can see. But these are super cute. I actually really like this color on me. I'm sometimes not that big. It depends on the shade of green, but this shade of green is so cute with the different colors highlighted in them. Like I said, this is floral, so there are different colors on the inside. You have a little bit of that brown in there, a little bit clear in there. And these come in multiple colors as well. You can get them in a more spicier design like this, or you can get them in classic black. But yes, I love all of these glasses. I am so in love with these. They are so comfortable. The shipping was easy. I got my glasses within 2 weeks, which is pretty average, and I love that. They were all affordable. All of them, including my prescription, were under $150 a piece. Like, these are like awesome, especially if you have an astigmatism and you have to have progressives like me. Totally shop them. So if you like any of these, or you're just looking for a different design, or you just want some fresh new glasses, you can check out all of Fytoo's information in the description box. Use my code so that you can get a discount. Now, I don't get any commission from that, but it is my affiliate code, and I would love for you to get even more of a discount on your glasses, okay? So tell me guys, what you think. Would you shop here? Would you want to try them? Which of my glasses did you like the best? Okay, so I love you guys to life. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.